Welcome to Living Large Camping. We're Connor, Amelia, and Barkley, and we're preparing to live full-time in our four-wheel pop-up camper. Subscribe if you're new here, and join us as we navigate life on the road.
Tell me about that little boy playing in the kindergarten. Life wasn't always good to him. Fighting school, he tried to win them. But then he grew up to be a man. Took a chance, a girlfriend's hand.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Living Large Camping. Amelia and I are headed out from Fayetteville, and we are going to make our trek back to Denver. We're going to stop in Wilson, Kansas, just along I-70 tonight. We've got about half a tank of gas, so we're going to hit the road right now, and then we'll stop and fill up in a little bit and kind of keep going until we find our place to camp tonight.
Yeah, we are leaving the Airbnb. We just went to a Garth Brooks concert last night, and it was really fun, and just ate some good food, enjoyed some time with his family, and yeah, make our way back.
Yep, and we got a busy couple weeks whenever we get back home. We have to pack up the house because we move out in about a month, and we are hitting the road full time in the four-wheel pop-up camper. So we got a lot to do when we get back. So we're excited, and we'll bring you along the way today, and hopefully we can make a good night out of it.
Get your mindset and you'll be just fine. Things will work out right in time. I know it's hard to walk away from all your dreams and keep on trying. Just take the bad with the good. Don't lose your hope. You haven't lost your touch. I know that it's hard to love and let go. To try and don't succeed. But I know that's how life goes. Love come your way if you start to believe things will work out right in time. Get your mindset in your
Hey guys, well, we made it to Cedar Bluff State Park in Kansas, just south of I-70. It was about 7 hours today, which will leave about 4:30 or 5 in the morning. We went a little bit farther than we had originally planned to, just because we were cruising along and wanted to make it tomorrow nice and easy. But we got the camper all popped up, and now I think it's time to make some dinner before we just hang out and relax for a little bit here. One thing we haven't really talked about much is our organization in this new cabinet. So we picked up some containers here, and then we have these bins, but we're gonna turn this into all the clothes storage and this into all the cooking storage. So whenever we get back home to Denver, that's our project. And also we are going to move the fridge into the truck because it is impossible to get to when the top is down. So very difficult, but we will fix that next week.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see.
So we went ahead and picked the spot that we thought would have the most protection from the wind. It's a little breezy still here, but it was picking up probably 20-25 mile an hour gusts on our drive. So when we pulled in here, we just searched for the best spot with the most trees. So here it is. Even got a little bit of a lake view, which we always love. And yeah, we're gonna call this home for the night.
Die with my own doubts.
Cheers!
Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free.
We just made a little leftover leftovers dinner basically. We've just chopped up some lettuce, steaks from last night, and made some rice.
Easy, but looks delicious, and it'll get us to bed quick and minimal cleanup. So that's what we were looking for, and we're excited to eat this. It was a long day, long drive, so we're gonna enjoy the rest of this night. A glass of wine, and then we'll probably go inside and watch a TV show in a little bit.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
All right, so far, bathroom review. The view, 10 out of 10. Now let's check inside. 8 out of 10.
I know you're just a dawn away. I keep thinking about that big sky I've seen so many times before, but it's something else today.
Sunset actually ended up being really pretty, which was nice to see. We watched a little bit of the campground, which was great, but the mosquitoes are out in full swing, so we're gonna lay in bed for a little bit and just watch a TV show. A good night, but we still got a decently long day tomorrow, so we'll fall asleep and hit the road in the morning.
Good night, guys.
Good night.
Selfish, I am flawed, but I can love. And so I wear this smile fit for the place above. You know me, the truth gets heavier every night. I promise I'll be the one if you help me win this fight. Stay there with me. Will you stay with me in the dark? Will you stay with me in the dark, the dark, the dark, the dark? I don't care if you drag my name all through the mud.
Guys, we woke up to some pretty cold weather. It was about 25 degrees when we got up, which I kind of expected but didn't expect it to be that cold. So we're just getting some coffee going outside, and then we'll pack up the camper and hit the road and head back to Denver. So coffee's almost ready, and then we're just gonna go ahead and pack up the camper and hit the road. Should get us home about noon, which will be really nice because we can unload the truck. I don't think we'll take the camper off today just because I don't really want to. And then we'll start working on some house projects and getting it all packed up.
With lips like heavenly wine, you make my morning shine. With lips like heavenly wine, you make my morning shine. With lips like heavenly wine, you make my morning shine. Will you stay there with me? Will you stay with me in the dark? Will you stay there with me? shy.
Thank you all for coming along on our drive home, where we checked Kansas off of our list. Join us next time as we pack up our truck and move into our 4-wheel camper for full-time living. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next video.
I set myself aside.